in my seal of victory is my fate doomed to hell and earth. I sipped in the wind, guide me to home. I stay